Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. Who said that? How is that related to your MLM? Keep listening and you'll soon find out. If you're anything like me, you know network marketing is an amazing way to build a business that will literally change your life forever. But you also see that there are huge challenges that are starting to emerge, like how do I know I'm in the right company? Or where can I find more prospects? Or how do I duplicate myself to create a strong downline? These are some of the blaring questions we face every day. This podcast will show you how professional networkers like us rise above misconception, haters and naysayers to help those who really focus on becoming a better version of themselves and decide to create the dream lifestyle. Follow this podcast while I combine timeless and proven network marketing principles with new and mind-blowing ways to build a never-growing downline that will help you reach the highest ranks of your MLM and create unlimited freedom for you and your family. My name is Mario Blanco and welcome to Ace Networkers Academy Radio. Wham! What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode loaded with meat and potatoes content. Let me repeat the intro. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence will win championships. So for those who have some background in basketball, you might have recognized that it was Michael Jordan who said that. And that was a way of recognizing the value of working as a team. Today I'm going to be talking about why your team can make or break your chances to succeed with your MLM. I find it's a major topic because this is the kind of thing you would like to get it right from the very beginning. Otherwise, you are going to be kind of struggling and coming across disappointing results. So it's really worth paying attention to this. So when it comes to network marketing, you can think of network marketing as a profession where your goal is to become an ace networker. When someone decides to become an engineer, we're all quick to tell him or her to go to the best university they can. Harvard, MIT, Stanford. You get the picture. Why is that? Because they will be getting outstanding education, the chances of getting a good job will be higher, right? So that's what we are always focused on, just getting that as a result. Is becoming an ace networker any different? Not at all. You would go and try to find an MLM with the best team and educational system you can. So it's kind of the same process you would do if you would go for the, let's say, academic education. But coming to the education and universities, what makes a university a great one? Is it the building? No. Is it the classes? No. Is it the books? No. What makes a great uni? It's rather the professors. It's the overall educational system. It's the students' results when they become professionals. In a nutshell, it's the people and it's the team. That's what makes a university great. Education-wise, wherever there is a great team, there is usually a great educational system. In MLM, you can think of your business as a computer and the team and the educational system as the software of that computer. So if we follow that analogy, you can have the best of the screens of the world, you can have the best and fastest hard disk, you can have the biggest memory, but if the software is not good enough, if the software is flaky, you're going to get disappointing results. So following this analogy, you can have the best of the companies, the best of the MLM companies, you can have the best products of the world, but if you don't have the right team, if you don't have the right educational system helping you get the most of those, helping you grow as a professional, helping you develop new skills, the results again will be disappointing, and that is not what you want, obviously. So that's the reason why it's important to choose the right team. The team also will be your reference of what is possible in your MLM, because when you know the team, when you know the ranks of the members of the team, and you understand how they got there, you will see what is the path, and that is your reference in terms of how far you can go. The team also is what you will edify when you invite prospects. So, for argument's sake, let's say you are a plumber and you go to a colleague and you tell him, I have a great opportunity, a great business opportunity. Can I just invite you to that opportunity and presentation, and will you be interested? The chances are that he will be in his head thinking, well, this guy, it's my friend, yeah, but he's a plumber. What is he going to know about uh, network marketing and business opportunities and such stuff? So they will be seeing you. They will not see anything else. But if the scenario is different, if instead of going and approaching your colleague in that way, and you start edifying the team, and you go and tell him, well, I'd like to meet these people from this team who are getting these results, would you come with me? That's a completely different scenario. You are edifying the team and you're leveraging the team and the team's results. It's not an idea from yourself. It's not something you just came across accidentally. There is something tangible there, which is based on that team. The leaders of a good team are going to be there to help you getting up and to encourage you when you stumble and fall on your way to changing your life. Good leaders will have inspiring stories that will keep you going and help you understand that if they could reach the higher ranks of the company, so can you. When I joined my MLM, I was instantly welcomed by social economic networkers, a team whose leader, Emilio Nevares, has shared with me a common vision of both achievement and social contribution. I joined a team that has constantly showed me they care about me and my success. I am grateful to this team, and especially to my colleagues Luis, Hector, Aleida, Wilfredo, and Lina, that have showed me in repeated occasions they believe in me and they are going to be with me every step of the way. God bless them. So, I'd like to leave you today with a couple of quotes to help you somehow digest all these thoughts. Quote number 1: teamwork is the ability to work together towards a common vision, the ability to direct individual accomplishments toward organizational objectives. It is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. Andrew Carnegie. Quote number 2: coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Henry Ford. So that was it for today. I hope this episode will help you finding the best team and you are able to understand how important is that team to help you succeed with your MLM and build your dreams. God bless. Hey, thanks for listening. Please remember to rate and subscribe. I know there's tough to find people to pitch when your warm market of friends and family dries up, right? So stay tuned and we will solve this problem together, one episode at a time.